Hi viewers, welcome to Ganesh YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain you how to create two-sided connection in Tekla structures, just like this. Okay, let's start. Open Tekla structures with US environment. Now I'm going to create columns. So click on steel and select this column and click on here to place the column. Now I'm going to place two more columns. So click on here and click on here to place the column like this. Now right click on mouse interrupt, click on space, right click on mouse radar view. Now I'm going to create beams. So select this beam and click on here at the middle of this column and pick the second point at the middle of this second column like this. Now I'm going to place one more beam here. So pick the first point here and pick the second point at the middle of this column like this. Now right click on mouse interrupt, click on space, right click on mouse redraw. Now I'm going to create connection at here, two-sided end plate connection at this location. So go to application components by using the shortcut control F. In search bar type number 142 connection. You'll get this component, two-sided end plate 142 component. So select this component and pick the main part as a column and pick the secondary part as a this beam and click on this beam, and now press the scrolling wheel button to place the connection. Now close this window here, right click on mouse interrupt, click on space, right click on mouse redraw view. Use the shortcut control R and pick the rotation point here. Now use the left mouse key to rotate and you can see by default we have connection like this. Now we have two connection plates with the same bolt like this. Okay, now I'm going to edit this connection. So right click on mouse interrupt, click on space, right click on mouse view. Now double click on this connection, you'll get this window like this. Now scroll it down and zoom it here. Now I'm going to change plate thickness. So go to place tab, let's take plate thickness ½ inch. Now click on modify. You can see now this plate thickness should be ½ inch. Now coming to this side plate, if you want to change this plate thickness, now go to place to tab and enter ½ inch thickness here. Now click on modify. You can see now this plate thickness should be ½ inch. Now coming to this bolt size and bolt spacing, click on this bolt tab. In bolt tab you can control bolt size and bolt spacing. For example, let's take bolt size 5 by 8 inch and tallness 1 by 16. Now click on modify to see the result. You can see now I have bolt size 5 by 8 inch. Now coming to bolt spacing, now click on here and select middle. Now I'm going to place these bolts at the middle of this beam. So make it here middle for this bolt spacing. Now coming to here, for this spacing we need to click on here and select this middle for this connection plate. Now click on modify. You can see now these two plates are at the middle of this beam. Now coming to the bolt spacing, let's take edge distance 3.5 inch and number of bolts in horizontal direction 3, and spacing between these two bolts let's take here 5 inch. Similarly we need to take bolt spacing for this from this connection plate also. So let's take here 3.5 on this side edge distance and number of bolts 3 horizontally and spacing between the bolts 5 inch. Now click on modify to see the result. You can see now we have like this. Now from edge of this plate to first bolt distance should be 3.5 inch from this option. Now number of bolts horizontally 3 from this option. Now spacing between these two bolts 5 inch from this option. Now coming to widthwise spacing, now click on here, let's take edge distance from bolt to edge of this plate 2 inch, number of bolts 2 in vertical directions 1 and this side 2, and the spacing between these two bolts let's take here 3.5 inch. Now click on modify to see the result. You can see now plate width increased. You can see now both sides will be the same spacing like this. Now click on modify, apply, okay. Click on space, right click on mouse, redraw view. Now use the shortcut control 2 for shaded view like this. You can see now we have edge distance 2 inch and spacing between these two bolts 3.5 inch and edge distance 2 inch like this. Okay, use the shortcut control 4 for render view and scroll it down and coming to here. Now we have only one side connection at this location. So go to application components Now we need to use 144 component for one side connection. So select this end plate 144 component and pick the main part as a column and pick the secondary part as a beam. You'll get this connection like this. Now close this window here, right click on mouse interrupt, click on space, right click on mouse review, use shortcut Ctrl R and pick the rotation point here. You can see now this is the one-sided connection like this. Now I'm going to edit this connection. So right click on mouse interrupt, now double click on this connection, go to plates tab, let's take plate thickness here, ½ inch. Now click on modify to see the result here. Now this plate thickness should be ½ inch. Now go to bolts tab. In bolts you can control bolt size and spacing. So let's take bolt size 5 by 8 inch and tolerance 1 by 16. Click on modify to see the result. You can see now this bolt size should be 5 by 8 inch. Now click on here, let's take middle to place this plate at the middle of this beam. So click on modify like this. Now I'm going to change the spacing. So let's take edge distance 3.5 inch at top and bottom. Let's take number of bolts 3 in horizontal direction 1 2 3. Now let's take the spacing here 5 inch. Now click on modify. You can see now I have edge distance from edge of plate to this bolt distance is 3.5 inch and number of horizontal bolts 3 from this option, and the spacing between these two bolts should be 5 inch from this option. Now coming to width wise, let's take edge distance 2 inch, number of bolts 2 in vertical direction 1 and other side 2, and spacing between these two bolts let's take here 3.5 inch. Now click on modify to see the result. You'll get like this. Now click on modify, apply, OK. Click on space, right click on mouse review. You'll get like this. Go to application components. You can see 144 component for single side connection and 142 connection for two-sided connection like this. Now we're going to apply the same one-sided connection at here. So let's take here 144 connection and select this component and pick the main part as a column and pick the second part as a beam. Now you can see now I have connection, right click mouse interrupt, click on space, right click on mouse review and close this window here. Use the shortcut Ctrl R and pick the rotation point, and you can see now we have like this. Okay, that's it about how to create two-sided connection and single-side connection in Tekla structures. If you like this video, please like it and share it. If you have any doubts, please comment below. For more Tekla structure related videos, please go to my channel youtube.com/GaniSK. I will provide this link in the description below of this video. Please go through it and come here. Under videos, you can find out so many Tekla structure related videos. I hope these videos might be helpful to you. And at the top right corner, please click on subscribe button. If you subscribe, you will get notification or updates when uploading new video. So please click on subscribe. Okay, thank you.